Looking for an affordable condo in Metro Manila? Dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, as low as 10,000 pesos down payment only, pwede ka nang makalipat sa sarili mong condo. Yes, ready for occupancy na ito. Lipat agad in 1 to 2 months upon loan takeout. No hidden charges. Free loan processing through Pag-ibig, bank, or in-house. Lifetime ownership. Perfect place rin for investment dahil accessible and convenient para sa mga magre-rent. 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units are available. Prime and very strategic ang location. Walking distance to SMEs near Medical City, Mission Hospital, Tiendesitas, Robinson's Galleria, POEA, wet and dry markets, church and schools. Ang amenities, panalong-panalo. 1.3 hectare open space with 2 basketball courts, children's playground, pocket parks, jogging path, outdoor gym, clubhouse, and water features. Secured ang property, pet-friendly at may sariling mall. And with the ongoing construction of National University na walking distance lang. Plus, MRT station na malapit sa project. The future is indeed very promising for this property. Sa halagang 10,000 pesos cash out only, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong condo dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas. Pinakamurang condo within Metro Manila. Send us a direct message today and let's set a schedule for free viewing.